Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show a really simple bottle art design. So let's get started. Today I am gonna use this wine bottle. First I will apply white acrylic color with the help of a sponge. Then I will wait few hours before applying second coat of the color. Okay, now I am done with my second coat. Then I have these Chandramallika leaves. With the help of these leaves, I will make today's design. So watch carefully how I am doing it. Here I am using red, deep green and light green of acrylic colors. Here I am done. See how simple is it? Now I will add little decoration on the top of the bottle. Tell me in the comment section how is it looking. If you like this video, then support my channel. Do like, share and subscribe the channel to see more such amazing ideas. Now enjoy this bottle art with some lights, and thank you for watching.